Larry Slavick with Guy Brown. Our first problem was our PCI compliance. Our scope was way too broad when we started out. It was going to cost us a fortune to remediate. They came in and helped us reduce scope and complete a self-assessment. We also needed a BCP plan, business continuity, internally, and we had a couple major customers that were requiring us to have that plan completed in order to continue doing business with them. In today's age of security awareness, I mean, every vendor we deal with, every customer we deal with is requiring us to meet their level of security. So we deal with a lot of big Fortune 500 companies who require us to meet every standard they meet, and we're a small company. Their consultative approach to our problems was much more effective than the cookie cutter approach that other firms were presenting to us. We ended up with a better solution at a lower cost.
I'm Heather Burdine with Radius. We wanted somebody that was going to be hands-on versus kind of giving us the software to do on our own. We weren't getting very far with that. They really presented it in a way that it was going to be walking us through it and being with us through the whole process, guiding us, and if we had any questions and that kind of thing. So that was important to us. The important part has been the regular touch points to make sure that we're making progress, and it's not just we have the assessment and then it's over, but we actually work with them to make sure that we're adjusting anything that we need to adjust and staying on top of all of our HIPAA needs. It seems to be, especially in our business, something that a lot of people are still needing. They need somebody to work with them versus them taking it on their own.
My name is John Gray. I work at the Murfreesboro Medical Clinic as the IT manager. You know, the important thing for us is we're a very small department, and so we have limited resources. So getting that third-party validation of what we're doing is very, very important. That way we can focus our resources where we need to. They are very professional, the pricing is reasonable, and the way you can customize what you need to fit your organization, I felt was one of the benefits of going with them when we did.